So, as part of our discussions, we are going to discuss about encryption, and out of encryption, the PKI infrastructure or the public key infrastructure comes into the picture. So, let's understand the concept of public key and private key. And since people are facing a lot of problems, so we would like to have a small role play so that we can explain it in a better manner. So let's say we start with going onto the website of Google, enter to our Gmail account, and for today's role play we have Alex and another person who is Imran. They both have a username and password in Google. So they went into your Gmail account, okay, and every Gmail account will assign two keys to you. One we call it as public key for Alex and one private key for Alex. And here they will assign a public key for Imran and private key for Imran. Now the concept of public key means that this is available to everybody from the Digital Certification Authority. Okay, so you enter into your Gmail account, you want to send a message to Mr. Imran and you want to write in the message hi or how are you, and you want them to reach in such a manner that only Imran can read what is written here. And also the second scenario, want to make sure that this message is only coming from Alex. So now we have two scenarios. One, we want to make sure whatever is happening. So what will happen? Let us demonstrate on the board and then we will do the role play. Now what is happening is that Alex, since he is logged into Gmail account, so Gmail knows, he will ask that I want to send in the sender email Imran's email address, imran@gmail.com. So he will ask for the public key of Imran from gmail.com. So how are you? He will encrypt it with public key of Imran. Now when Imran will receive the message, he can only open to see what is written here with his private key. Now this private key is only available with Imran. So nobody else can open it. So now when he receives the message here, so he opens this message with his PR or private key because it has been encrypted with his key. So he can see this. How are you? So that is called the confidentiality part, because he has opened the message into his Gmail account. Now Imran wants to know that the message which Alex has sent is only how are you. So what Alex can do, he can encrypt this message with his private key. Okay, because he is the owner of the private key. Now he will send it again to Alex. Now if Alex wants to open whatever he has encrypted with his private key, he can take the public key of Alex from the certification body and he can open to see. Now this will take care of your integrity of the message and you will know that it has only come from Alex because both the keys. Now we will do the role play because then it will be more understandable. So we have Alex. Alex, can you write down how are you? And I want Imran. Imran, can you come here? And I am the certification body. Now you come to Google account. Okay, so I have given you, this is your public key, this is your private key. Okay, yeah. Now this private key is available with me because I am the owner and I know this is belongings to Alex. and this is your private key, this is public key with me, but it belongs to you. Now you will send a message to Imran. Okay, in the first scenario, what you are going to do, that you will ask from me a public key of Imran.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are going to encrypt it with his public key.
Correct.
Done? So it goes to Imran. Now this pen can only be removed with his private key because it is of the same pen. Okay, so you removed it and you can read the message. How are you?
How are you?
Right? So this means that nobody in the middle was able to open this one.
Correct.
Because the key was only available with Imran. Okay, but in the second scenario, I also want to make sure that you are the only Alex who has sent it, because I can also pretend to be Alex. So now I am going to do another way. Give me your public key. Okay. Now here Alex will send one letter.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is your public key. This is your private key.
And this is
Okay, so what you will do, put your private key, you lock your thing with the private key. Yeah, you can just put it just to demonstrate, because, okay, this is your private key,
Yeah.
right? And then you take his public key and again close it. Okay? Now, when it goes to Imran, so Imran has two tasks now. One, he has to open the message with his private key. So he opened the message. Now he cannot access the message because it is encrypted with your private key. So what you need from me now, Imran, you need his public key, which is with the digital certification. It comes here, it opens the lock. Now you can open the message. Now, since this only belongs to Alex, you will have no doubt in your mind. But this happens in a nano of a second. You will not be knowing. But Google and the IT specialists, they put lots and lots of effort to make sure that Alex only communicates to you and you are able to receive what Alex wants you to say. And that's all about public key infrastructure. So for today, we are ending it here and we are going to come back.